And Ruvika only had mayo, just mayo, with cucumbers, lettuce, spinach, and tomatoes.
In my
Shayu, what did Mama teach you when someone's talking? Don't talk.
Okay, until you be finished. Now she finished. You can start.
No, I'm not done. And then,
Okay.
and then Janaya got samudana and khichdi. And Naira got school lunch.
Let him talk. Let him
Done?
talk. Okay, go ahead.
પછી એ મને કે મમ્મી દીદી talks too much.
Me.
Yes, continue.
in my school we have meal. In my school we have only melon ketchup to put in our lunch.
Same burger ma?
No, after lunch, ma.
Oh, in your lunch? Okay.
No, in all my friends' lunch.
All your friends lunch? Okay.
Oh, because
Ketchup
he has
is-
those sticks, right? So you can either
Nah.
use ketchup or mayo to dip the sticks in.
Yes. And sometimes.
Ah.
I asked for milk and ketchup,
Milk and ketchup.
Mayo.
Milk.
but they only give me ketchup, not milk.
Milk?
કે mayo?
Milk na aplo.
I'm
What
guessing.
is milk?
I'm guessing ki
Milk.
ketchup and.
I think it's a milk, not milk. Milk ne?
No milk.
I'm guessing.
What is mail, beta?
What is
It's
milk?
like ketchup salted. The milk
Mayonnaise હશે mayonnaise.
White color નો ketchup?
White color હોય છે?
no red ketchup
Mhm.
and the milk is white.
Yeah, mayonnaise. Yeah. Okay, mayo.
The milk,
It's called. It's
the
not.
milk is like ketchup.
I have it home. I'll show you. Okay?
Listen, beta. It's not called milk.
later.
It's called mayonnaise.
Mayo.
મમ્મી ખબર
Mayo.
છે પેલો white આપે છે જેમાં તું બરીતો dip કરે છે.
That's sour cream.
No,
Mayo.
not sour cream or not mayo.
Okay.
It's milk.
Okay,
Mayo.
mayo.
Okay.
Okay, mayo.
I think they give him that because some kids like Anya, chicken nuggets જોડે ketchup અને mayo ને આમ mix કરી દે અને pink sauce હોય and then they dip it in the chicken nuggets and eat it. But my friend Janaya, since she can't eat mayo because she
Allergy.
says that she can't eat eggs. She says it's past her religion like Ishani. And Ishani still eats mayo and Janaya doesn't
Oh, you
eat.
can tell Ishani it has eggs.
And then she still eats mayo.
આ કાલ માટે કરે મગ.
ના એટલે ખાસા છે. લંચમાં લઈ જાવ
એવું
ઘરે
નહીં
બહુ
દાળ
બધા છે.
So,
દાલ રાઈસ લઈ લે.
mommy,
ઓકે તો પર રાઈસ માં મગ લઈ લે. લઈ ઉપર જ.
એટલે મારે કશું નહીં જોયું. આ લોકોને પહેલા પતાય પછી ખબર. અરે કશું જોઈતું જ.
કાઢી દીધા.
એ શું લેવા જાય છે?
એ કાલ લંચ નહીં લઈ.
શું છે?
મગ છે.
નહીં મગ તો કાલ ખવાશે. હવે અત્યારે નહીં જાય પેટમાં. શું ખાશે એકલો મગ?
દીદી નહીં જોતા હોય તો.
I'm full.
હવે બેટા આ કઈ રીતે ધોધી
એ આમ કરી જા.
Go like this. Look, Didina.
ચાલ તો
આજો.
બાજુમાં લઈ જાઓ.
Shiv, look.
Marco.
Oh no, look.